Hello students, welcome to Ma'am and Me Maths class. Today I will teach you one new chapter for 10th students. So that is trigonometry. So trigonometry is one of the branch of mathematics. As you have studied three branches like arithmetic, algebra and geometry. Similarly, trigonometry is also one of the branch of mathematics. Let us see what we are going to see in this chapter. Trigonometry. Trigonometry. So what do you mean by trigonometry? What we are going to study in this chapter? Say, let us divide this term trigonometry into three parts. Tri, gono and metry. Here, tri means three. Gono means sides. Gono means sides. And metry means measurement. Trigono measurement. Three sides measurement. See, when we hear three sides, we will come to know it is a triangle. So here in this trigonometry, we are taking or we are considering right angle triangle. So we are taking right angle triangle. Only for right angle triangle we can apply trigonometry. So we will consider triangle ABC with angle B as 90 degree. So in trigonometry we will study the relationship between the sides. Relationship between the sides and the angles of the triangle. Angles of the triangle. So this is what trigonometry. Trigonometry means it deals with the study of relationship between the sides and the angles of the right angle triangle. So now let us see what are the trigonometric ratios. I told you the relationship between the sides and the angle. So here we will study the trigonometric ratio, comparison of two sides with the considered angle. So before going to that, we have to name the sides of the triangle. So how to name the sides of the triangle? For that, we have to consider one of the acute angle. Already angle B is fixed, 90 degree. So we have to consider either A or either C. So let me consider C. I will consider this angle as theta. So when you have taken this angle, based on this angle, you have to name these sides. Already you know that in right angle triangle, hypotenuse, that is opposite to 90 degree. AC is the side that already it is named as hypotenuse. It is fixed. And remaining two sides we have to name it. So if the side opposite to the theta, the side opposite to the angle what we have considered, that we have to name it as opposite side. And the side adjacent to the angle what we have considered is named as adjacent side. So now ಯಾವ angle ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದ ಸೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಏನು ಥೀಟಾ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಪಕ್ಕಕ್ಕಿರುವಂತಹ ಸೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ. ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ. So there are totally 6 trigonometric ratios. They are sin theta. Full form of sin is SINE, but shortly we will call it as sin theta. Sin theta is the comparison of opposite side with the hypotenuse. So what is the comparison for sin theta? Which two sides we are comparing? Opposite with hypotenuse. Similarly, cos theta. See, cos, the full form of cos is cosine. Shortly we will call it as cos theta, and it is defined, or it is the comparison of adjacent side with hypotenuse, smaller side with bigger side, adjacent by hypotenuse. Similarly, tan theta. So the full form of tan is tangent. So here we will consider tan theta, and it is the comparison of two smaller sides which are opposite with adjacent. Opposite with adjacent. Then cot theta or cotangent. Shortly we will call it as cot theta. It is the comparison of adjacent side with opposite. Next comes secant theta. Secant. The short form of secant is sec theta. Sec theta. It is nothing but biggest side with smallest side. That is hypotenuse with adjacent. Similarly, one more comparison is left. That is hypotenuse with opposite. So that is nothing but cosecant. Hypotenuse with opposite side. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios. This is the basic thing to study about the relationship between sides and the angle. If you know thoroughly this, then you can solve any type of problems. Okay. So these are the basic comparisons. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan is opposite by adjacent. Cot theta is adjacent by opposite. Secant is hypotenuse by adjacent, and cosecant is hypotenuse by opposite. Then even we can compare with one ratio to another ratio. See here, just nodile sin theta ಏನಿದೆ opposite by hypotenuse ಇದೆ. What is the reverse of this, reciprocal of this? ಹೈಪೋಟಿನಿಯಸ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಹೈಪೋಟಿನಿಯಸ್ ಬೈ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಹೈಪೋಟಿನಿಯಸ್ ಬೈ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಪೋಟಿನಿಯಸ್ ಬೈ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾನ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸೆಕ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Sin theta can also be written as 1 by cosec theta. Similarly, cos theta ಏನಿದೆ? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Where is hypotenuse by adjacent? Hypotenuse by adjacent. It is the reciprocal of 1 by sec theta. Similarly, tan is reciprocal of cot. So 1 by cot theta. And cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. And similarly, secant is reciprocal of, see, reverse of this is cos. So therefore it is 1 by cos theta, and this is 1 by sin theta. So like this we can compare one ratio to other ratio. Have you understood? Okay. Next, even I can compare. See, if I divide, I can convert sin theta. See, if I divide sin theta by cos theta, what happens? Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Divide by cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. So, if you take to the reciprocal or hypotenuse cancel, therefore it is opposite by adjacent. So, sin theta by cos theta can also be written as, see, what is opposite by adjacent here? See, opposite by adjacent is tan theta. So, sin theta by cos theta can be written as tan theta. So, tan theta can also be written as sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta can also be written as tan theta. Can you say what is cot theta? It is just reverse of this. Cos theta by sin theta ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದರ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಇದರದ್ದು ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ cos theta by sin theta. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ cot theta ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು cos theta by sin theta ಅಂತನೂ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ 1 by tan theta ಅಂತನೂ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಓಕೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ಇದೇ ಥರ ನೀವು ಉಳಿದ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Okay, so these are the basic things in trigonometry. Okay, in the next class we will study about complementary angles and some specific angles of trigonometric ratios. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding this, you can comment in the comment box, and if you like this video, please share, subscribe. Okay, thank you.